Black Lives Matter means all lives matter. We all come from Africa. We're Homo sapiens. We come from Africa. There is no such thing as race.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Beige. If you are new here, welcome. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and comment down below before you leave. I don't know if you've heard, but there is a long road that leads straight to the White House that has been unveiled as Black Lives Matter Plaza, which I am so proud to actually witness and see with my own eyes. So there is a beautiful mural on that road that says Black Lives Matter in bright golden yellow. I was so inspired by that picture that I saw that I decided to do something creative to express myself. Because the mural is yellow, I'm going to be painting my eyelashes yellow as well as my nails and my mask. So starting off, I'll be grabbing Space Panda by Suva Beauty, and it's basically a water-activated cosmetic paint. I'm grabbing my eyelashes. I'll be using these from I Envy. Then I'm grabbing a makeup brush, and I'm going to coat all of those strands of hair on the eyelash strip a couple of times with Space Panda. So now that the eyelashes have been primed with Space Panda, I'm going to grab Blazing Lights, add some water to it, and basically do the same thing by applying that water activated paint onto the eyelashes. Now, because this is more of a golden yellow, it didn't really show up the way that I wanted it to show up, so I did have to go ahead and grab another water activated paint from Suva. This one is called Dance Party, and Dance Party is more of an electric lime yellow. So now it's time to prime my eyelashes. I'll be grabbing this Ultimate Boost Eyelash Primer from Rimmel London, and I'm just coating my eyelashes with this first. So now I'm going to do the same exact thing that I did to the strip lashes, basically activating the water cosmetic paint, and then I am going to use my brush to coat the mascara wand, and I'm basically just going to apply that color to my eyelashes.
Ryan Little.
And here's the final look. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, don't forget to leave them down below in the comment section. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and comment down below, of course, before you leave. I couldn't do this video, I couldn't complete this video without actually physically going down to Black Lives Matter Plaza, because that is what inspired this entire look. I am so glad that I got a chance to see it with my own eyes and experience it. It was so emotional for me, you guys, but I did get a chance to record it, so make sure you guys stay tuned for that.
Ryan Little.
Japan.
Yeah, that's right. It's beige, Ojai. Ay, ay.